Hello mga ka-SueChelleCy! Welcome back to our YouTube channel!
Hello? Hello? Papa? Pipita?
What's your name?
Pia?
So, for today's video, gagawa kami ni baby ng
Na? Play!
clay. So, we do magic gamit po yung clay. So, show to them your clay. Show to them your clay.
Kene!
Tana!
Play for you.
Ay, very good. So, what color is this?
Yellow!
Very good. We have, what color is this?
Green!
This one.
White!
Very good. This one.
Blue!
Very good. This one.
Purple!
Yes. How about this one?
Orange!
Yes. How about this one?
Red!
Wow. Very good. So, how many colors we have? Can you count?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
7! Yay! So, we have 7. So, this one is color yellow. So, dalawa na yung yellow natin. Kaya remove na natin yung isa. Opo? So, before that, bago tayo gumawa ng magic, may guest po pala tayo. Sino ang guest natin? Please do welcome
Tito!
Tati! Yay! So, hello!
Hi, SueChelleCy.
Hello! So, ayun na nga, nandito si Tati as well kasi nainggan nyo na din siyang gumawa ng YouTube channel. So, please do subscribe yung channel ni Tati, which is yung SueChelleCy. So, ito yon. Please do subscribe, okay? So, ayun. Let's start. Ano natin ang imimix? Ano gagawin mo magic, yaba?
Pink.
Yes.
Pink.
So what color are we going to mix to make the color pink? What color? Now think. Is it red and white?
Yeah!
Yes. So, we're gonna open the red and
Open the
white.
red.
And I open this white clay.
Okay, here you go. Get some.
Ako din, para madaming red.
Yes. Ako din.
Ikaw din, Tati. Gagawa
Here's
tayo
your red,
ng...
mommy. And I have white.
So,
Go.
ayan.
Mix like this.
Trivia lang, Tati, kasi yung tita, mahilig siyang magbaliktad ng name, si Sophie, kaya natawag niyang Tati.
Yes.
Yan.
That's why Tati, diba? Very unique.
Yeah. Isa lang yung Tati talaga.
Yes.
Mix mo
mix
yan
it
ba?
well.
Para lumabas yung color.
Pink.
Pink. Yan.
Bakit
Mix,
pink
mix.
ang favorite color ni Poppy?
Bakit?
Bakit pink?
Ito na.
Ito
Pink.
na. Kasi maganda yung pink. Pang baby. Pang girl. Opo?
Opo.
Okay,
So,
mix it well.
ayan.
Abo,
Pink. Ayan,
Dali,
pink
show them like
color.
this. Here.
So, another, para makagawa tayo ng green color. Ano imimix natin? Is it blue and yellow?
Blue and
Yellow.
Oh, i-mix natin para makagawa tayo ng
Nang
green. Go,
Ano yung
get
favorite
some.
color ni Mommy?
yellow.
Yellow. So, mix natin to para malaki yung...
Blue mo.
Okay, get some. my favorite color. Like this talaga, yellow.
Yeah.
Let's mix.
So this is a very good activity, most especially dun sa mga
Ay, sino?
kids
Oh, ito
na
sa'yo.
I want.
Ito.
nag-aaral pa lang ng mga different colors.
Sa mga primary or infants, ganyan. So,
Mix it well, Poppy. O, tingnan mo, green na yung akin. O, dali,
Oh.
mix it well.
bakit sa'yo yellow-green? Sa akin ganito yung color.
Mommy, it's too dark. It's
Ayan.
already green.
Mine.
Oh, show them.
Show mo yung
Show
green
them.
mo. Basta, you need to mix blue and yellow
Yes.
equals to green color.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, let's move on. I want purple.
Purple? Ano kaya imimix para magka-purple? No. Purple.
Purple.
Blue and
Red.
blue and red. Very good. Oh, I'm so sorry. Which one is yours? This one or this one? Where's the red color?
Oh no.
Oh no, it's missing. Blue and red. Nawawala yung red, yaba. Oh no.
I think it's this one. Tada!
Gunggong! Barinig kita sa mukha eh!
Oh no,
Magic.
Magic nga yun talaga. So, let's get some blue.
Go tayo purple. My
Yeah.
favorite color.
Favorite color ni Tati
Get
is
some
blue.
red. Red.
Yellow.
No, we have to mix blue and here.
Red.
Here's the red color.
Kuha na ng red.
Yung purple. Okay.
Ang pagbigyan ng mga bata talaga sometimes
They don't cooperate.
Mm-mm.
They have their own decision.
Kaya
So let them be because they are.
exploring.
Yes, very true.
Kaya na lang
Oh
natin
no,
sila.
it's not purple. It's
Purple baga look.
Ito yan.
no. This
Yeah.
one's maroon.
Parang
This
maroon.
one's purple. Yeah, violet.
Yeah.
Dark.
I think nakuha ko yung color na purple.
Oh yes, mommy. You're right this time.
Yeah. Siguro talaga kailangan
Thank you,
balance
baby.
yung pagkakuha ng clay.
Mine's very dark. Naging brown na ewan.
Oh, di ba? Oh, magkakulay na. Malayo pala. Dark na. Parang ube. Next is
What's next?
sky blue. Light blue. Like mo yun? Ano yung mix natin? Color? What?
Blue.
And?
White.
Yeah.
Very good. Up here. High five.
Very good. Ako din. High five.
Okay, get some white. White clay. Go. Here.
Yan. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Yung blue pa.
White and blue. You mix. Go. Get some.
Kuha ikaw ng blue.
Good job, Poppy.
Yan. Ayan.
Hingi ako white. Ay, ito pala blue.
Ayan, bakit natin blue? So, ayan. This is light blue.
Yes.
Parang hindi parang kakulay ng damit ko. Pero
Oo
light.
nga. Naging dark.
Oo.
Joke. So,
Ayan, nakakuha na tayo ng light blue.
yes.
Next is, I like orange color. Ano imimix natin na two colors para makagawa tayo ng orange color?
I think,
Yellow?
blue?
No.
No.
Is it yellow and
This one. What color is this?
Red.
Yellow and
Yay! Nako, sad na yung baby. Nako,
Gusto mo
bilis-bilisan
mag-dance?
na natin, Tati.
sleepy na siguro yan. Are you sleepy?
Oh, no.
No.
Kuha na ng red and...
Thank you.
You're welcome.
My lion.
Oh,
So,
okay.
comment down below kung ano pang mga gusto nyong content na,
or-
you know.
Yung patok sa mga bata.
Yes, yung mga kids.
Yeah.
Kasi,
Mine.
sa ngayon
Very good.
kasi ito yung pinaka trip ni Poppy or ito yung pinaka gusto niyang laro. O, di ba, nag-aalgay.
So,
Na,
ayan.
I'm done! Orange!
So, dito ko ilalagay kasi dark. Pag nilagay ko
Yes.
ganyan, hindi siya na-emphasize kasi yung kamay ko.
Dapat siguro mas
Ganyan.
malayo.
Ganyan na lang. O, tingnan
Kasi-
mo. Uy, kapareho nito. Orange.
Yes, perfect!
Diba? Nakuha ko din yung
Mami.
sakto. Diba,
Kasi pag
Tati?
masyado malapit.
Para-
Diba?
Nako, wala.
Nagiging light.
So, ayun. Nakagawa na tayo
Okay.
ng pink.
We have...
Pink.
We have...
Gunggong! Barinig kita sa mukha eh!
Orange.
Orange. Mami, orange kaya yun.
Orange pala yun. So, next, we're going to mix
I want brown.
Brown?
I want brown.
Here.
brown macy.
What
What's-
are you doing?
Wow! Yeah, it's color brown.
Look. Mine.
So,
What's this?
nagawa pala tayo ng color brown, pero so, pinakagawa na ng brown, diba? Galing.
Very advanced.
Yeah.
Isa pa.
Yung
Isa
imimix
pa.
ng brown, help mo nga kami? Ayaw mo kami help? Gawa tayo ng brown man. Nainggit kami ni Tati.
Yes, I
Mhm.
want brown also.
So, we're gonna mix orange and blue.
Blue.
Ano yung mix natin?
Two.
And
Orange.
Orange.
orange. Galing man po.
Okay, mami, tayo na lang kaya ang
Oo.
mag-mix. Si
Oo.
Poppy, busy na eh.
Busy na maggawa ng
Oh, mami,
pattern.
blue.
Thank you.
I'll get
Thank
some
you. So,
orange.
sa ngayon, kami na nag-enjoy ni Tati.
Oo, very very good para sa mga stress dyan, di ba?
Kasi ganyan-ganyan.
Mm-mm.
Ganyan-ganyan.
Na-enhance na ang iyong artistic ability.
I have it. One
Oh.
Ay, buti naman! Thank you, ah!
Kulang ka.
Oh no! Mix it well!
I help you.
Okay, thank you. Naku, ang bait naman ng batang batutang.
Man yan, Poppy. Akala ko kami na lang mag-play.
Oo. Ang galing man ng baby na yan, nag-help.
I think hindi brown ang kakalabasan. Kasi may technique si Poppy para makagawa ng brown eh.
Oo nga.
Ano nga yung paghahalo-haluin mo para makabuo ng brown?
Oo nga, hindi siya brown. Tama ba yung minix namin? Orange and blue? Comment
Orange
down
and
below
blue.
po kung tama yun. Parang
Kasi,
iba yung kinalabasan.
Kasi ano ba to? Naging, naging gray.
Yeah, gray yung kinalabasan. Hindi siya.
Naging ash.
Mm-mm.
Ash brown. Pwede na, brown pa rin.
Pasok pa rin sa may brown.
Yes. Okay, let's move on to our next
Oh.
activity.
Yes.
Mami.
Tapos na tayo mag-mix-mix.
Yes.
So, hindi po ito sponsor ng Nick Jr.
Yes. Pero this is a very good
Yeah.
brand kasi mabango siya, hindi super sticky, tsaka very kid-friendly.
Mm-mm.
This is very good for 3 years old and up. Okay.
We have...
Okay.
What do you have, Yaba? What's this? It's a pattern. So, ito ano na to